Good morning and welcome to America's Home Cooking. Today I am making omelets. Now I have to admit to you, omelets are not an easy thing to make. They're judged according if there's any brown on it, you've burnt your eggs, or if it's completely raw in the middle, you've burnt your eggs. They're difficult for people to make. They're a very simple procedure, but to get those eggs at the right point where you need them to be is difficult. I have tried it on cast iron, I have tried it on stainless steel. One point I even tried it on aluminum pans. They do not work well. I'm always burning them. Even if it has a brown mark in it, it means they're burned. I am going to now try with this pan, which is a no stick. I've got approximately, I guess, two teaspoons of butter in it. I'm going to put it on a very low flame. I'm going to crack. I'm actually talking with you as I do this, so don't be disappointed. I might not even get these right this time, but I work at it, and I still work at it. You're going to need 3 eggs in a small bowl. I have truffle cheese here, goat cheese, and that's what I'm putting in mine. And I have some scallion chopped right here that's going in it too. And I know I have to move you over. I know what I have to do. We're actually having the muffins and sausage, and I made yogurt, and we're going to have applesauce with the yogurt, and that's what we're having. Now, if you want something for breakfast that's easy, if you make deviled ham, you can get a fresh stalks of celery, and you can pack it in there and put them in strips like this, and boil some eggs. Salt and pepper them and serve that for breakfast. It's a high protein dish because you know that deviled ham is all meat. I'm not adding pepper to this because this already has a strong flavor. I'm just going to add a little bit of salt to my eggs, and that's it. Another trick that you have to know about this, I might have to add a little more butter to that. Hold on. These eggs have to be beaten thoroughly, so you'll have that beautiful yellow color. Now, I'm not going to tell you mine are going to come out perfect because I never know when I make them. All right? So you're going to have to beat these eggs completely till it's all yellow. And you can't see any streaks of white, or it's going to come up in your omelet. See how I've done it? Very, very yellow. Don't do the omelet on a high heat. You will be sorry. I've made plenty of mistakes doing omelets that I already know. I made a perfect omelet, and I was so happy that I did it. And then I couldn't do it again. So, we'll get this going, and we'll see how it turns out. But you can put anything in an omelet. Just don't overload it because you're going to have to flip it and slide it out. I have a lot of things on the stove. This is why my husband wanted to buy me a 6-burner stove. 2, 4, 6. He says, you need it, Sandy. I don't want to break any dishes. And we're going to let that cook. Let me get 3 more eggs. And I'm not adding the cheese in because it hasn't got a base for the cheese to rest on, or the scallions. People put heavy cream in it, they put milk in it. I mean, I have tried every way. This is just about the only way I'm guaranteed most of the time. We haven't had omelets in so long. Like I say, I don't repeat myself often. And when I do, it's almost like a new dish. We go, oh, we haven't had this in a while. Now, 2 eggs is 13. So we've got 20 grams sitting right here. This omelet is 20 grams. We're going to add cheese to it, which also has protein in it. I'm serving it with sausage that has protein in it. And also I'm serving yogurt with applesauce. The yogurt has protein. So as you can see, I am covering a lot of protein in a very, very simple dish. Let's see if you can see what the eggs are doing so you get a better idea. I'm trying to get you as close as I can, but I have to maneuver here. See how it's starting to cook around the edges? Where did I put my spatula? See what I'm doing? Very, very carefully. Let it cook some more. See, if you put the cheese in now, it's going to melt too much and then you're just going to lose it. This is why they like it cooked some before you do it. And as you can see, it is cooking. We're getting ready to put it in, don't worry. You're not having this. No, 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 no. You are not having this, Taffy. I put food down for you to eat. You see that? And it's got a little brown there. They don't even want to see that. Here we go, trying to flip it. No, it's not. I'm just going to have to flip it in half instead of 3. You can do it in half or in 3s. Just let it finish up cooking and we'll slide it out. Now, if you want to dress it on top, you can sit there and sprinkle a little parsley or something chopped on it. That'll be fine. We're going to put this pot for a minute. Let me get a mat. That's not going to work. Move, Taffy. Come on, move, move, move. I need you out of my way. I just see burning potholes. My mother did that all the time. There's the omelet, and that's how you do it. Okay? So let me get the rest of the dish together, and you take care. Bye-bye.